Hi guys, it's 27th March and I'm going to London today. I've never had travel anxiety, but for some reason today I was like super anxious. I've just calmed down because now I know I'm closer to like departure. I'm gonna leave home in like 20 minutes for the airport. It's currently like 1 a.m. and yeah, I'm not going back to like live there again. I'm just going for a holiday. I'm going with my flatmate, like who was my flatmate in London. So it's gonna be fun. We're staying with our two friends, and yeah, I'm going for like 6 days. So come with me. We are on our way. It's happening after all of the
Have you
nervousness.
told them?
I told them that I was really nervous and I had anxiety.
Even I was.
We both were, and now we're just going because there's no way back. Quite
but
literally.
I also feel like we were so nervous because every single time we've left for London in the past 3 years, it's been to go back to uni and like not come back for like 3 months, 4 months, 5 months.
But in our brain, we still, I don't know, our brain still thinks we're not going to come back. That's why we're anxious.
What are you doing?
We have arrived and we're really tired. And I need to like change, do my makeup, feel myself. Oh, that sounds very bad. I feel like myself again. The struggle to take the bags up.
You're quite strong.
How am I supposed to take mine? Mine's really heavy. Guys, we're just walking on the road we lived on.
And I didn't want to come, but now I don't want to go back.
Yeah, now I feel like we literally can't believe that we lived here for so long. Like, it feels like a dream. And now we're walking on this road like 8 months later. And it feels
Pretty.
it's pretty and it just feels weird. We're going to our building where we lived to meet everyone in the building, like the building staff. Because it's been a while and we want to see their reactions. They have no idea we're here, obviously. So we're entering now. This feels so weird. 9th floor. The lighting is so bad, but now we're gonna. Oh my god! Now we're gonna meet Shivang, who is my uni friend.
And he's a pest.
He's also in London at the same time, so we're gonna meet him.
And we hate him.
Yeah, we hate him, and we meet him every 2 months.
My new hairline.
Introducing Shivang.
I'm not a pest. But they are monitoring all these.
Been a while. It tastes too good. I feel like I got my personality back. Guys, we're at Regent's Park and I think I might cry because if you know me, you know how much this park meant to me when I lived here.
Norway.
Yeah. We need to reach by 5 max.
Dude, let's do this. I'm just leaving
Please
it
look
as
at
it
my
is.
friend's dressing sense.
Please turn.
Then there's me. And now I'm walking to my peace. This is like my hideout spot. Whenever I felt low.
Her safe space.
My safe space. Yeah, whenever I felt low.
No, your happy spot.
I call it a lot of things, depending on my mood. So I'm going there and I don't know how I'm gonna feel. Because the last time I went there was when I was leaving London and I cried there.
On the last day?
Yeah, I cried a lot there. This is my safe, happy space. Oh my god. I used to sit here all the time and just like look at the view. Literally no one used to come here. And now I can't believe I'm here. I used to come here in my dreams. Like literally I used to dream about being here when I was in Mumbai.
Not breaking your money. Tomorrow.
Hi guys. London day 2. I'm just getting ready. We are going shopping today. That's the plan. My hair is not hairing. That's okay. I'm just gonna go to Oxford Street. I honestly just wanna buy clothes. I don't wanna buy anything else. And I want to buy one pair of white shoes because I broke mine like a toe. So I'm gonna do that. And just walk around, have coffee, obviously, because I don't get good coffee in Mumbai. So then, yeah, that's the plan. This is the outfit. I'm wearing a trench coat because it's cold. We're having sushi dog for lunch. So excited. Whenever I work from home, I used to order from here. I'm confused. We are going for coffee now. Shopping was very unsuccessful, didn't get anything. Honestly, just got 3 things. But I'll continue my shopping journey on Tuesday because someone interrupted it.
I mean, thank God I paid attention and like did not.
Having some tea. Actually, it's coffee. I don't know why I said tea. I haven't had coffee since morning. That's very unlike me. We've also got some cakes. Chocolate cake, vanilla cake, and some custard thing. The cake here tastes like Monjani's.
It's like cake in Bombay, but it's like.
But bro, that says a lot.
No, this is like the most expensive.
Place serving Monjani's cakes. That coffee did not hit me at all. I didn't like the coffee that much, to be very honest. We're going to shop again now. This is honestly so unsuccessful. I didn't get anything. Now I'm going to Wagamama for dinner. It's only 6:30, but it's dinner time here. I don't know why, but even when I lived here, I used to have dinner really early. I just get hungry really fast, and I also walk like 20,000 steps a day. My legs are hurting, and this coat is extremely heavy, so my shoulders are like... Guys, I accidentally ordered grass. My gyoza ramen is discontinued. I'm so sad. Day 3, we're going to Din Tai Fung.
Yeah, sounds good.
You already know how I feel about it if you've watched the Dubai vlog. Oh god, it's sunny. It's sunny, but it's cold.
Because then we can.
अभी हम हमारा बाल ब्लो ड्राई और वॉश करने आए हैं क्योंकि हमको इधर नहीं करना है और इधर वो उसका 50 लेते हैं जिसका मतलब है 5,000. हमने जगह बदल दिया क्योंकि वो बहुत महंगा था. अभी हमको थोड़ा सस्ता मिला है तो हम वापस आए इधर. Guys, I got my blow dry after like going to 5 different places, asking for the cost and then picking the cheapest one.
And the weirdest part is we don't even do this in India. Like, it's so much cheaper there. We don't do it there, but we decide to come here and do it.
Because it's like, why should I wash my hair? We're on a holiday. Our blowout was looking good.
But we're literally not even behaving like we're on holiday. We're going to Farmer J for lunch. We're eating Taco
Yeah,
Bell.
we're on a budget holiday, but we'll spend the budget on our hair. I'm just walking around aimlessly on this trip.
We're not walking aimlessly.
No. Like we're going to like. I feel like we're going around in circles. Like there's no planning, nothing.
But we're going to Primark.
Arey idiot! I'm not complaining. I'm saying because it just feels like home.
They feel attacked.
We're just walking around wherever life takes us. We go. Yeah, it's a very chill, unplanned, going with the flow kind of trip. Finally going out tonight.
Nissa looks like she's going somewhere else. We look
Nissa's going to the beach.
Nissa's going to the beach.
I think I look like I'm going for like
She's
a
going for a
corporate
meeting,
day,
yeah.
like a meeting. You're going
I'm
to the
going,
club.
yeah.
And Sakshi's
She's going to the gym, bro. I don't know what
Sakshi's
she's
going to the gym.
If I brunch or anything, if I didn't dinner,
We are in the male's bathroom right now.
oh my god, it's unisex. It's unisex. Let's see this.
Guys, there's no lady. Okay, there's a lady. This is what happens when you have too much. Guys, I get it that all of you love house. I'm gonna hiccup, someone's missing me. I get it that all of you love house music, but where are the lyrics? Ending the day 3 vlog. Is it day 3?
Day
Day 3.
three.
Ending the day 3 vlog here. We've got our Taco Bell. Best night ever. I think the Taco Bell's making it the best night, not the clubbing. Yeah.
I was just gonna say, we're 23, we've gone out, and our Taco Bell is the best part of the night.
That says a lot.
That says a lot.
About our lifestyle and the way we choose to live.
Exactly.
But yeah, now we're gonna go home and eat Taco Bell.
I love cheese!
They got us breakfast. Day 4. Finally a sunny day in London. The light. And we are going to Kensington to a cafe because that's what we do here. We're gonna take the tube. I haven't taken a tube ever since I've come here. Yeah, it's hot. I haven't taken a tube since I've come back, so this is gonna be fun. Guys, I'm sitting on the Wimbledon train. That was my work train when I lived here. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm excited. Also, your phone works.
Close to Malabar Station.
Massive building, Waterloo.
And the pizza is so good that you're trying to divide it between all of us. We are now going to Primrose Hill. Here are all the people. Stop copying me. We're going for the sunset and it's gonna be fun. I also had all these reels planned that I want to make, but I just haven't had the time or opportunity to do so because I'm so like distracted and like, you know, just enjoying having a good time. Bummer. No, it was. We are at Primrose Hill. Haven't come here in a while. We used to come here when we used to live here. We used to come here pretty often at like night to look at the view. Yeah, and it was freezing. Once I came here, I had a shawl, I had gloves, like I was in boots at like 3 a.m. Yeah, and we used to just stare and think about life as if something's really going wrong.
Look at the short little skyline and
It's crazy. We just saw someone's proposal. That's so cute. That's so cute.
So cute.
Oh my god. Guys, me one day.
Oh, this is like casual, like
Oh my
she's a
god.
G.
This is like, these are the moments where I'm just like, I love people.
Aww.
Manchita's feeling it.
It's sad.
Sad and happy. Sakshi is taking us to Tofu Vegan.
Oh, I thought, don't reveal it right now.
Sakshi, it's for my vlog, they'll know.
Okay.
Tell them about Tofu Vegan.
It's the best Asian restaurant you can find in London. It's authentic Indian flavor.
I'm making it Indian, it's not Indian. Best Mapo tofu for vegetarian people because it only has tofu. It's called Tofu Vegan. So, yeah. That's so stupid. It's literally called Tofu Vegan. Tofu Vegan. Okay, she's like vlogging. Tofu Vegan. Guys, we're buying Sakshi this t-shirt. This is hilarious because she loves this place and it says eat well, feel well, live well. That's very her. It's so you. And it's so she's actually wearing it.
I don't mind. Yeah. Thank you.
When there are too many vloggers on this table.
What do you think? That is okay. Really good. It's like juicy and like flavorful.
There's a review going on. Great meal. I'm in food coma. And so is everyone. You know when you have too much Asian food and you just feel sleepy and you just want to be in bed? That's what I want to do. Come on. And it's freaking cold. Day 4, I think. Is it day 4? I don't know. We're going shopping today. I'm gonna go get breakfast at this place called Avo Bar. So it has everything avocado. And then we're going shopping. And we're also going for a musical today, the Devil Wears Prada musical. I really wanted to watch it and it came after I left London, so this is the opportunity. That's the plan for today and this is the fit. Very spring and I love the silver details. Oh wait. दोस्तों अभी मेरे साथ कुछ बुरा हुआ है. मैं अंग्रेज़ी में नहीं बोल सकती क्योंकि यहाँ पे सबको समझ आता है, लेकिन हमने अपना जो बैठने का टेबल है वो शिफ्ट किया अंदर से बाहर. मैं बाहर गई तो मैं बैठने गई तो पूरा टेबल हिल गया और ज़ोर से आवाज़ आया और सब मुझे घूर रहे थे और मुझे बहुत बेइज्जती फील हुआ. मेरा English, don't make fun of my Hindi, like right now I can't process. उसके बाद वो waiter बाहर आया और उसने पूछा where to keep which plate, और मुझे लगा वो पूछ रहा था how is it. तो उसने मुझे पूछा ये किधर रखूँ मैं, और मैंने बोला amazing, very good. और बोल रहा है उसने बोला मैं वो नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ मैं प्लेट किधर रखूँ. अभी मुझे खाना नहीं खाना है, मेरे को यहाँ से निकलना है. How crazy is this? And this as well. Is it weird that I can say I made this? It's insane. Guys, this feels so weird but fulfilling that I can finally see the end product. I worked on these for like a year. And now they're in stores. We are going to Soho House, 180 Strand, to have pasta because we love the pasta there. Haven't had it in a while. What? Take 2. We're going for the Devil Wears Prada musical. She's not interested in any of my vlogs.
Hi.
Are you excited for the musical?
Very excited. It's my favorite movie.
I just want to sit and watch something and like brain rot, like not do anything. Hi guys, I'm home after the play. It was a good play, but they were just singing too much. But it was a good play. It was a musical, so obviously they'll sing. It was really nice. Let's not complain. But now I'm home. I'm just chilling. But that was my day. And now I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's currently 8 a.m. Everyone's sleeping. I'm awake because I want to have a long day. It's my second last day. I want to do everything that I want to do. Like I want to go to the bookstore, I want to get my favorite coffee, I want to go to the park. So I'm going to do all of that. And I need the whole day for that. And I need to edit reels for you guys and post today as well. So I'm working. Need to wash my hair. So lots to do. It's my morning voice. I can't be loud, but that's the plan. I'm like extremely late. I was supposed to go out at like, I don't know, 11 a.m. but now it's 2 p.m. because I was editing a reel for you guys. And now I've wasted my morning. Not wasted, I did my work, but I have all these plans for the day which I need to do. Okay guys, I'm going to Dawn Books. That's why I bought my first book and that's why I fell in love with reading. So I'm gonna go there, get a book. I also just want to walk down the roads I used to walk down every single day, like this one. My house was like right there. So yeah, I'm going to my favorite street, which is Marylebone High Street. House of CV is having a sample sale, so we've come here. This is crazy. There's so much stuff, but it's so messy. I'm getting this skirt because I don't like anything else. We're now in Knightsbridge, going for lunch. We're having Lebanese today, which is very unlike me because I never have Lebanese food. But yeah, new place, let's try it out. Guys, my friends just gave me a speech on how I am the main character and I love attention and I want to be in the limelight.
Yeah, but it's true.
And then they made it seem like they're complimenting me.
But it is a compliment.
That I want attention, which I do. I love attention, I know. But
Like if we're bored, she'll go and dance.
okay, so the last time we spoke was when I was at the restaurant, and now I'm back in the apartment. Sakshi is making me some pina colada, which is a very unusual beverage.
Chal, let me take it for you.
Taste test time for Tia's pina colada. Oh god! It tastes like coconut milkshake.
Coconut, okay, let me try it, give.
But
Maybe it needs more pineapple juice.
I think so.
Maybe it needs sugar.
Sugar? You've put sugar in this? Please don't put sugar. Anyway, yeah, so the last time we spoke, I was at the restaurant. Now I'm back here, and the plan is that it's Nisa, my best friend's birthday tomorrow, so we need to bring it in. So we're gonna go get a cake. And I'm also going out for drinks with a few friends, so that's gonna be the vibe. And tomorrow is our last day. So I'm sad. Kashish is having the pina colada. Taste test. Taste test of the pina colada.
Why is it so white? Bro,
I thought the same thing, but I just didn't want to
it's
say.
like it's weird a bit. It just needs a little more pineapple juice.
See?
No, I added more pineapple juice, Kashish. It froze.
Okay guys, I'm randomly on the road, just walking alone. The road is empty. And it's my last official night in London and it feels extremely weird. I think I'm getting emotional, like I'm gonna miss this place. It's like doing it all over again, as I said before. But yeah, I'm just feeling all the feels right now. I don't know. Okay, I just want to document this as well because I don't want to forget the way I'm feeling. But I've chosen to walk down all the roads tonight that I used to usually walk down again. And like I can literally imagine my younger self, like when I lived here, like walking right, like it might sound crazy and dramatic, but like just walking near me. And I was feeling so demotivated after like quitting my job and everything. I can like feel all the motivation I used to feel while I was around here again, and it's like kind of getting motivation from your past self. I don't know, it's just a very strange feeling, and I thought I'd share that in case anyone's ever felt like that before. Getting prepped for Nisa's birthday. Oh god, there's too much chaos. Nisa is busy not caring. 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2. Are you?
No, it's not 12.
It's not happening.
It's not 12. It's not 12 yet.
Happy
Birthday, dear Nisa. Happy to you. Woohoo!
It's 23.
23. Guys,
She's saying I like it because she likes.
I swear I was on a diet. Guys, they're looking at all my makeup and making fun of me because they think I don't need all of that.
For now. She has a palette and one eyeliner. Okay.
One lip. Let's keep one lipstick. This matte. This is.
What do you mean keep your throwing my makeup? We're going for Pilates. It's our last day in London and this is what I've decided to do. And we're late, so. So pretty. I fully forgot to vlog today, but
I forgot to vlog today.
why did
We just imitating.
Okay, sorry. But we are at Hyde Park and now we're gonna go get coffee. Because that's literally the only thing we do is get coffee and walk.
And the theme of the trip is walk and talk.
Walk and talk. Yeah, theme of this trip. Walk and talk. We can still go on. We can talk a lot more. Someone's trying latte art. What is that? Guys, I'm feeling so sad. I don't want to leave. The withdrawal symptoms are kicking in again. I feel like second half of this bro, I feel like second half of this vlog I'm just like I don't want to leave. So pretty. I want to live in this weather. I want to walk down these streets. But now I'll go back to Juhu Market. Last night in London.
Let's go.
We're late. We're going for our friend's birthday dinner. Our friend's birthday dinner. You're just like imitating me the whole day. It's Nisa's birthday and we're going for her dinner in Chelsea at this place called Mescalito. I used to go there all the time. Not all the time because it's expensive, but like on special occasions. It's a Mexican restaurant. It's really nice. If you're in London, go there. That's the plan. gonna meet everyone I've met in London these 5 days at once tonight. Literally.
yeah.
Like whoever I've met in these 5 days, I'm meeting all of them tonight. And then I'm gonna see my buys because my flight is tonight, like at 8 a.m. tomorrow. So I'll have to leave home at like 4 a.m. So I'm not sleeping. We celebrated Nasa's birthday.